Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with new chapter number 4, rational numbers. So before going further, we have to know what are rational numbers. So a rational number is any number that can be named in the form of a upon b, where a and b are integers and b is not equal to 0. And you know this a is numerator and b is denominator. And where b means the denominator should not be 0. Example, 5 upon 6 minus 6 upon 11 minus 13 upon 9, 6 upon minus 13 is the rational numbers. Now you have to know the positive rational number and negative. When there is positive sign, it is called as a positive rational number, and when there is a negative sign like minus 6 upon 11, minus 13 upon 9, 6 upon minus 17, they are having the negative sign, so they are called as a negative rational numbers. Now we will go to exercise, children. I will teach you according to the exercise. Exercise 4a. First question is find 5 rational numbers equivalent to each rational number. First is 3 upon 5. What you have to first understand the question? You have to find 5 rational numbers equivalent to each rational numbers. Means this the one rational number is given, we have to find out another 4. So what you have to do? You just have to multiply by first 2 with that same number. First by 2, then by 3, then by 4, then by 5. Like, see, 3 upon 2 into 5 into 2. 3 into 2 upon 5 into 2. 3 into 3 upon 5 into 3. 3 into 4 upon 5 into 4. 3 into 5 upon 5 into 5. So what is here? 3 upon 5 as it is, you have to write 3 2s are 6 upon 5 2s are 10. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. 3 4s are 12. 5 4s are 20, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. So the required rational numbers, 5 rational numbers are 3 upon 5, 6 upon 10, 9 upon 15, 12 upon 20 and 15 upon 25 are the required rational numbers, means 5 rational numbers to each rational numbers, for the each rational numbers. Now see the second question again, then you will again understand properly. See second question. Minus 7 upon 10. What you have to do? You don't bother about this minus. Let it be like that only. Minus 7 into 2, minus 10 into 2, 7 into 3 upon minus 10 into 3, 7 into 4 minus 10 upon 4, and 7 into 5 upon minus 10 into 5. So first rational number is 7 upon minus 10. Next will be 7 2s are 14. Here it will be 14. 7 2s are 14 minus 20. 10 2s are 20, 7 3s are 21, minus 10 into 3, that is 30, minus 30, 7 4s are 28, minus 10 into 40, means 10 4s are 40, 7 5s are 35, and minus 10 into 5 will be minus 50. So the 5 rational numbers equivalent to the rational number is 7 upon minus 10 equal to 14 upon minus 20 equal to 21 upon minus 30 equal to 28 upon minus 40 equal to 35 upon minus 50. So these are the 5 rational numbers which are equivalent to minus 7 upon 10. Are you understanding, children? Very easy. You just have to take the multiplication with 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next question is third question. That is, express minus 15 upon 16 as a rational number with numerator equal to minus 30. Express minus 15 upon 16 as a rational number with numerator, first one is minus 30. Means what you have to make? You have to make numerator as 30. How you will make? Minus 15 goes in table of 2, so it makes 30. So you have to make that numerator minus 30. So minus 15 into 2 will be minus 30. So again, if you are multiplying the numerator by 2, you have to multiply with the denominator also with 2. So 16 into 2, it will be 32. So the answer will be minus 30 upon 32. Next question. Denominator 48. Here minus 15 upon 16. So what you have to do, you have to make the denominator 48. So 16 threes are, it is 48. So you will multiply denominator with 3 and at the same time you have to multiply numerator also with 3. So minus 15 into 3 will give you minus 45 and 16 into 3 will give you 48, which is clear for this question. So this will be your final answer. Means minus 45 upon 48 will be your final answer. Now the next question is sixth question. Express rational number in standard form. Again I am telling you, express rational number in standard form. First one is minus 6 upon 15. Standard form means you have to make it least number. Okay, so see, minus 6 divided by 3 will bring you minus 2. Yes, it will be the least number for the rational number. Minus 6 divided by 3 and 15 divided. Means if you are dividing it by 3, the numerator, so denominator also you have to divide by 3. Means 3 2s are 6 means minus 2 and 3 5s are 15 means 5 will be the answer. So the final answer will be minus 2 upon 5. Next, minus 36 upon 84. You have to make it a smaller rational number. Means minus 36 divided by 12 and 84, because you have to see this both should go in the single table. That is, it is going in 12 tables. So you have to take it minus 36 divided by 12 and 84 divided by 12. So if you divide 36 divided by 12, it will give you minus 3. 12 3s are 36 and 12 7s are 84. But here it is minus sign. So it will be minus 3 upon 7 will be your final answer. Now next question is, children, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. See, first one, minus 3 upon 4 equal to 12 equal to 28 it is given. See, you have to see now, children, just see this. This will become 4 3s are 12 and this will become what? You say the table, 4 7s are 28. So from here you have understood this is 4 3s are, means it is going by 3 and it is going by 7. So the numerator also you have to do like that only, means it will be 3, so here also will be 3, minus 3 means 3 3s are 9 and here 7 4s are, so 3 7s are 21. Are you getting, children? Means you have to see this is going by 3, 4 3s are 12, this is going by 4 3s are 12 and it is going by 4 7s are 28. So the upper one also you have to do like that only. Minus means 3 3s are 9 and here minus 3 into 7. So it will become 3 3s are 9 and this minus 3 into 7, that is minus 21. So likewise you have to solve your fill in the blanks. Now next one, 7 and here numerator is given. Now the denominator you have to write. Okay, these are the blanks. This you have to write. Here this was the blank. Okay, so we have taken that. 7 2s are 14 and 7 5s are. So what you have to do? 9 2s are 18 and 9 5s are 45. Simple. Here it is negative sign, so you have to put it negative sign here. Instead of putting here, you can put here also, but if it is given down, so you put here. That is minus 9 2s are 18, means 7 2s are 14, so 9 2s are 18, 7 5s are 35, so 9 5s are 45. So this will be your fill in the blanks. Now we will see the next question, that is 8th question. Which of the two numbers is greater? Now you have to see which of the two numbers is greater. See first one, minus 7 upon 12 or 5 upon 12. On the number line if you see, the positive one will be the greater. Of course it will be. So which one will be greater? Minus 7 upon 12 means 5 upon 12 will be greater. So you have to put this sign towards the greater number. Next, here the denominator was same, so that we have soon we have got this answer. But now see second question, children, the denominators are different. So you know what, if the denominators are different and if we want to compare greater than less than, you have to make it same, means you have to take the LCM. Means 14 1s are 14 and 7 2s are 14, you have to make it 14 14, means like terms you have to make. Earlier I have taught you about the like terms, so you have to make it like terms. Means here it will be minus 3 upon 14 as it is, And now minus 6 into 12, that is 6 2s are 12, and 7, because you have to make this denominator 14. So 7 2s are 14, so of course you have to multiply numerator also with 2. So minus 6 into 2, that will minus 12. But you know that number line, when you are seeing the number line, which one is greater? Minus 3 upon 14 is greater. So you have to put the sign towards minus 3 upon 14. Hope you have understood this.